Want to recover permanently disabled Facebook account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily enable it. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to Safari or any of the web browser. In the address bar, search for Facebook Recovery. Tons of different sites will be available. Head over to the very first one. Once you have landed on this page, what you need to do is, you have to scroll down. It says, was this helpful? Click on no. Select other and tap on select once again. Now in this section, you have to state all the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. After that, you also have to mention your email address, phone number, and username of your account. And then click on submit. Once you have submitted, within 24 hours, they will definitely help you out and then your account will be recovered. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.